In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a customer portal in Zoho CRM. Having a customer portal set up in Zoho CRM is a fantastic way to keep track of your customer interactions and provide them with a seamless experience. It allows your customers to access certain information and perform specific actions on their own, significantly improving efficiency and satisfaction. Let's get started with the process. First, begin by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll need to look for the Accounts section. You can find this by clicking on the Accounts button, typically located on the main dashboard. This area is where you manage all your account-related activities. Next, you'll want to access the Setup area. The Setup is the control center for configuring various aspects of your Zoho CRM. Locate and click on the Setup icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and that should guide you into a new section where you can configure your customer portal settings. Once in the Setup, search for the Portals option. Click on Portals to start customizing your customer portal. This step is crucial as it allows you to manage who gets access and what they can see or do within the portal. Now with the Portals section open, you'll see an option labeled Get Started Now. Click on it to initiate the setup for your customer portal. This is where you start defining the specifics of your portal, such as user permissions, access rights, and other important configurations. Following that, you should see a Configure Now button. Clicking this will take you into a more detailed setup process where you can adjust settings tailored specifically for different user types. This is essential for ensuring the right people have the right level of access, making your customer management far more effective. As you proceed, you'll notice a confirmation message indicating that your client portal user group has been created successfully. Acknowledge this message as it confirms that the initial setup of user groups within your portal is complete. Once the user group is confirmed, you can decide on inviting users. There's an option to click Invite Users, or you can choose to do it later. Inviting users directly ties them into your portal structure, allowing them direct interaction and engagement from the get-go. To send out these invites, click on a contact name within your list. This will display options for sending invitations to join the portal. It's a straightforward option yet integral, ensuring clients are promptly integrated into the system. Finally, click on Highlight to emphasize important features or changes you've configured in the portal. This visual cue not only draws attention to new updates for your users, but can also help you track adjustments more effortlessly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to configure your customer portal in Zoho CRM. This setup not only enhances your relationship with clients by providing them independence and transparency, but it also streamlines your process, making it easier to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.